Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this simple tutorial we shall be looking at how to create fake WhatsApp account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to get free WhatsApp number to create a fake WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store over here. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for Super VPN. So you can see over here Super VPN. I will advise you to download this special application with more than 3 million reviews. This is a very special application, so download the Super VPN. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you have downloaded it, then you open it. So just open this application and you can see it is preparing. So just prepare it and then wait for some time. Now once it is opened, then you click on continue, then you allow all the necessary permissions, and you can see over here connect. You need to make sure it is connected, so you have to click on connect, and then you can see connection request. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on OK, and then you can see it is connecting, and it has connected successfully. Now once you have connected it, all you need to do is to come back to Play Store once again, and once you come back to your Play Store, then you search for this application temp number. So these are the major applications that we are going to use. That's the Super VPN and then temp number. So you can see over here temp number, and you can see temp visual number. There are many, so I'll recommend you to download this one. This is the one that I recommend for you. This is the special one that you have to download over here. So download this special one, and if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you have downloaded it, then you open it, this application. So just go ahead and then open this application. Now once you open this application, you can see temp number. So you can see over here get free number. Just click on get free number, and once you click on get free number, just wait for a while as it is loading for all the necessary numbers that you are supposed to use. And you can see select a country. Now in my case, I want to go for United States. You can see there are so many. There are many over here. You can see Sweden, Belgium, Australia, Netherlands, but in my case I will go for United States. So just go for United States and wait for a while, and you can see there are many. So you can see the numbers over here. So select the one that you prefer. So you can see, just select any of them, and once you click on the number, just wait for a while and click on got it. Then you can see you have to skip this, and once you skip that, you can see over here the numbers over here. So in this case, all you need to do is to copy the numbers. So just copy the numbers over here, and once you copy the numbers, then you go back into your WhatsApp. So just open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp over here, all you need to do is to paste the number over here, and once you paste the number, a verification code will be sent to you. And all you need to do is to come back to the application and then use the verification code to create your fake WhatsApp account. Now with this trick, you can create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. So you can see copy over here at the upper right corner. You can see the copy button over there. So anytime you want to copy any number, that's where you click. So just click on that copy and then copy the number and create your unlimited fake WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,